Right, question 47, x equals 2 over t, which is 2t to the minus 1, y equals t squared, dx dt then will be, bring the minus down, dy dt will be 2t, okay, so that means then dx dt is equal to minus 2 over t squared, so dt dx is equal to minus t squared over 2. Okay, so you're going to flip that there. So then when you do dy dx, you do dy dt times dt dx. Okay, so the 2's cancelled, you get minus t cubed. So when it comes down to the gradient, that's the gradient when you put little p in, and be minus p cubed. So in the equation then y minus p squared, so you put little p in there. Okay, gradient then is minus p cubed, x then minus 2 over little p. Okay, multiply through, and then that becomes plus 2p squared, isn't it? Because the p's cancelled there. So you get what they want basically. Okay, so then it says the tangent to C at P intersects the x-axis at A, y-axis at B. Okay, so you could say, look, at A, y is equal to 0, which means p cubed x minus 3p squared equals 0. So x will equal 3p squared over p cubed, so x will equal 3 over p. Okay, so A, the coordinate of A then will be 0, no, it won't be, A will be 3 over p 0. At B then, of course x is 0, which means you end up getting straight then, because that's 0 here, y will equal 3p squared. So B then will be 0, 3p squared. And then it says, look, this point P on here, right? Suppose P is there where the tangent meets the curve. And it's saying what? BP, PB equals twice PA, equals double that. So what we need to do is work out what PB is, okay? Remember, P is simply 2 over P squared, okay? So we need to work out what PB is. Okay, now PB is obviously a straight line, distance between them. So it'll be the x value is taken away, x2 take away x1, plus then the y value is taken away, the difference between them. So you get then this will become 4p squared, plus then, well that becomes minus 2p squared, isn't it? Minus 2p squared. Of course, you've got to square that, missed the square out there, using Pythagoras. So that's minus 2p squared. When you square it, it becomes plus 4p to the power 4. Right, that's PB. Right, and then PA, okay, is those two. So you've got 3 over P, take away 2 over P, all squared, plus then 0, take away P, all squared. So this will become, that becomes 1 over P squared, plus P to the power 4, okay? And they want you to show that PB equals 2PA, right? That's what they want you to show. It's quite hard to do that, isn't it, with this? But what you can do, you know, you've got PB equals to this here, but you could actually say PB squared, couldn't you? Equals to this. Yeah? PB squared. Okay, just take the square root of it and square it. And then you can also take out a factor of 4 here, couldn't you? Okay, and then when you do, you could do the same for PA squared. Okay, so take the square root over, so you get quite simply straight away this. Or I want you to notice then, when you take the square root over and get PA squared, look at that there, that can go in here, can't it? Okay, so therefore PB squared equals to 4. Now that is PA squared. Okay, and then of course because you got that true, then you could just square root everything. So PB equals 2PA.